Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Affirm for installment checkout with e-commerce step by step clearly. To activate Affirm for installment checkout with your e-commerce platform, begin by logging into your e-commerce dashboard. Navigate to the payment settings section of your platform. Look for the option to add or manage payment gateways. Select Affirm from the list of available payment options. If Affirm is not listed, you may need to download and install the Affirm plugin for your platform. Follow the installation prompts to set up the plugin on your e-commerce site. Once installed, return to the payment settings and select Affirm again. You will need to input your Affirm merchant account credentials. If you do not have a merchant account, create one on the Affirm website. After entering your credentials, save the changes to integrate Affirm with your store. Next, customize your Affirm settings according to your preferences. You can adjust options such as loan terms and promotional offers. Make sure to review the eligibility criteria that customers need to meet. Once your settings are configured, test the Affirm checkout process. Place a test order on your site and select Affirm at checkout to ensure everything works smoothly. Confirm that the installment payment options are displayed correctly during the transaction. If you encounter any issues, refer to Affirm's support documentation for troubleshooting tips. Once everything is functioning properly, you are ready to go live with Affirm on your e-commerce site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.